Robinhood is fulfilling what some saw as truly its inevitable fate. From broker of meme stocks to a meme stock itself. Just a week after flopping in its IPO, and Robinhood shares have surged as much as 82% in the last two sessions. The rally is being powered by the very same people that its trading app enables. That's, of course, retail and traders. Let's get more from Bloomberg cross-asset reporter Joanna Ossinger. So, Joanna, I feel like kind of the head scratcher here isn't necessarily that Robinhood becomes a meme stock, because, as you're saying, maybe that's just inevitable. But it didn't happen when it IPO'd. Why all of a sudden this interest now?
Hey, Danny, that's exactly right. It's so strange. Usually you see that big pop right at the beginning, like with Coinbase or Didi, but this is happening slowly. There wasn't that much interest at first, and now all of a sudden retail traders are catching on. But that's after Cathie Wood bought in. That's after people like Jim Cramer have said that they're into it. And so retail traders all of a sudden have decided that they're really into it as well.
So, we kind of typically see the same playbook. We see, tons of call options, short-dated call options, that kind of thing. Is it the same case here, Joanna, in terms of what's driving Robinhood higher?
That is helping. There were a ton of $70 call options that were done on the first day that you could do options, which was yesterday. So that probably is helping. The stock closed right around 70. There weren't a ton of really high-priced options, but there was huge options activity. It was actually the second biggest options activity volume after Facebook in terms of options trading on a first day from an IPO.
Okay, so a lot of interest then clearly from the retail crowd in Robinhood. What about more generally in this market? I mean, there had been this idea that things open up, people can go on vacation, they're going back into the office. There wouldn't be as much retail-type-driven rallies like we've seen. If we put Robinhood aside for a moment, has that been the case? Are retail traders pulling back from this market?
They've been on and off. There are some things where they've pulled back. You haven't seen too many more, say, GameStops, AMCs, but they've moved into things like crypto, and they're doing this with Robinhood. So it is still popping up, right? And we are seeing, the Delta variant moving through things. So while we have some fall off sometimes in the retail interest, it's still hanging in there.